So up till now we have created one unit on our dashboard, and then we have uploaded one video in this particular upload videos panel, and then we will just now see how to create a topic for that particular video so that it will be accessible for the student in that application. So now to create the topic, first you are supposed to click on this manage topic button, and then after clicking on all topics here, you will be navigated to this particular window. So here, as you can see, all the previously created topics are seeing. Then to create the new topic, we are supposed to click on this create Flipgrid topic button. So after clicking on that particular button, now it will just giving me some of the entries to fill, so that we can just create the topic for our application. So first of all, it is asking me for the subject ID, like for which subject I am supposed to create a topic. So these two subjects we have created till now, so we'll just choose mathematics 1, and then it is asking for the unit ID, like for which unit you are supposed to create that particular topic. So we'll just choose unit 1, as we have created the unit 1 only. And then it is asking me for the which video we are supposed to upload in this particular topic. So as of now we have uploaded 2 videos. This was just for test purpose, and in the previous video we have uploaded a video 1. So I will just choose this particular video in the directory, and then it will just show me the video size, like what video size that particular video have in MB. So if this particular checkbox is on, then the videos you have uploaded in the videos section for unit 1 only, that videos will be visible here. And if you just deactivate, disable this particular checkbox, then all the videos will be visible to you, whatever you have uploaded, irrespective of the irrespective of the unit you have selected while uploading that videos. So for now I'll just click on video 1. Then it is asking me for the rank, like for what place we are supposed to keep that particular topic in our application. Here you can see, in our application, in this blank space, all the topics will appear here. So in which position you are supposed to keep this particular topic which are creating. So for that purpose we are supposed to give one rank here. So I'll just explain you the concept of rank first. For the ranking IDs of the topics, we are supposed to use this particular convention, like AA1, AA2, AA3. So basically the topics we want to show at first in our unit, for that particular unit. So you are just supposed to give the ranking ID to that particular video, to the particular unit here. So here you are just supposed to type the AA1, so that this this particular topic you are creating here in the dashboard will be look at the first side here. So at the first position this topic will be coming. So if you just uploading a lot of topics and you want to arrange them in the particular order, so you are just supposed to use this ranking concept. So if you're uploading this topic and you want this topic to appear on the first, so you're just supposed to give this ranking ID as AA1, and then for the next topic you can use AA2, then AA3. So what these things are doing, it is just comparing this particular AA1 with AA2. So this comes first in our you can say alphabetical order. So this particular video will be appear first in our application. So that's just a common concept you can say. So after reaching to AA9, so you're not supposed to use AA0 there. So you're just supposed to replace this A with B and then AB1, so that and just you can continue this flow. So AB2, then AB3, AB4, like this, so that all these videos can rearrange in this particular order you can say. So for that, if the topic have the ID AA1, so it will look at first, and then if you are uploading a new topic and you are giving the ranking ID as AA2, then that particular video will appear just below that particular first topic. Like this in our application. So here will be a topic with ID AA1, and then just below this particular topic there will be second topic you are uploading, and that if that particular topic has the ranking ID of AA2, then it will appear just below this first topic. That's it. So then it is asking for the topic name, like which topic name you are supposed to give. So I'll just give one random topic, just topic 1. So this will be the topic name for this topic, and then it is asking for the topic description. You can just give any random description here. So I will just type one random text now for now. So it will be just like this, and then is deleted, we are supposed to keep it 1. If you want to deactivate this particular topic, like you want like you don't want to show this particular topic in your application, then you can just change it to 1, so that it will be automatically removed from your application. So for now all the things are done. So after clicking on the save button, it will save this particular topic in my application, and then we just check this particular thing in our application now. So as you can see in this particular application, I'll just open. So in the batch 1 we have created a mathematics 1 subject, and in the mathematics 1 we have created one unit, and now we have created one topic which will be seen like this. Then you can just check it out, the particular video. So I'll just download this video for now, so that this downloaded video will be the video you have uploaded right here using this upload videos panel, and you can just use this uploaded video and create the topic so that it will appear like just this in your application. And then using the ranking IDs, as I have explained like this, you can rearrange the topics as per your convention.